Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a really quick video talking about 3D Experience World 2021 and how you can get free Solidworks vouchers all the way from the CSWA to CSWE. This year, 3D Experience World, formerly Solidworks World, is going to be an online conference. There are going to be some really cool presentations and panels, one of which I'm a panelist on. If you sign up and attend certain presentations, you'll be rewarded with voucher codes for CSWA, CSWP, CSWPA, and CSWE exams. That's right, the Certified SolidWorks Expert exam is free if you go to 3D Experience World 2021. I'll put up a graphic of which presentations to go to for each. Registration for the event is free, so you really don't want to miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to go from uncertified to CSWE without a cost. And, if anything, make sure to go to the Young Educational Leaders panel, as I'll be there answering questions you might have. Make sure again to register for those specific presentations, and I'll put a link below to register for 3D Experience World. Once you get those vouchers, be sure to come back to my channel for some training, and I hope to see you there.